Welcome to part 6 of our ASP .NET Employee Manager series. In this session, we will enhance the grid view with search functionality, dynamic filtering, and paging support. You will learn how to allow users to search by name, filter by designation, and navigate large data sets using GridView's built-in paging capabilities. Let us start by adding a text box for searching names, a drop-down for filtering by designation, and a search button to trigger the action. The row updating event is the most important one. This is where the data is actually updated. The code retrieves the updated values from the GridView's text boxes using find control to locate them within the row. Notice the use of parameterized queries in the SQL command. This is vital for security, preventing SQL injection vulnerabilities. The code constructs an update statement, carefully adding parameters to avoid direct string concatenation. This is excellent practice for protecting against malicious inputs. The bind data subroutine, though partially shown, is responsible for querying the database and populating the grid view with the employee information. The if statement checks for the existence of records, displaying a message if the table is empty. This is a user-friendly touch. Let us quickly look at the styling in the viewEmployees.aspx file. Inline styles are used to customize the appearance of the grid view, including background colors, text alignment, and hover effects. While functional, separating styles into a dedicated CSS file is generally recommended for better organization and maintainability. The auto-generate edit button equal true attribute adds an edit button to each row, allowing for easy updates. The on row editing, on row updating, on row cancelling edit, and on row deleting attributes are event handlers. These handlers are defined in our code behind file and are responsible for handling the respective events that occur when a user interacts with the grid. Finally, you can see the bound field elements defining the columns with the header text for labels and data format string for data formatting. This dynamic SQL allows filtering based on search box and drop-down selections. It uses parameterized queries to ensure security and flexibility. To support paging, enable allow paging, set page size, and handle the page index changing event. This reloads the data grid with the appropriate page. This is a web application for managing employee information. The main view displays a list of employees. The title clearly indicates the purpose of this page. A new employee can be added using this button, employee button. Add a new employee button. Employees can be searched by the name using the search bar or filtered by designation using drop-down menu. The clear button resets the search and filter. The employee list is presented in a tabular format showing ID, name, join date, and designation. Each row has edit, and delete. For managing individual employee records, the pagination allows for easy navigation through a large number of employee records. This user-friendly interface provides a clean and efficient way to view and manage employee data. This concludes our overview of the ASP.NET code for this employee management system. We have seen how the ASPX markup defines the UI elements and the code behind handles data updates and display. Remember that the robust error handling, data validation, and further security measures are crucial for production ready applications. Thanks for watching. This method populates the designation filter dynamically from the database. It helps to keep the drop-down current and user-friendly. Let us see it in action. Searching by name filters the records. Choosing a designation narrows the list. You can still paginate through filtered results. To summarize, we implemented real-time search, filter, and paging in GridView. In the next part, we will walk through publishing this ASP.NET application either locally or using IIS.